Good morning, friends. Hello, I am Anup sir. In the previous lecture, we studied about the autotrophic mode of nutrition and heterotroph mode of nutrition. The living organism get two types of mode of nutrition. First is autotrophic mode of nutrition, and other is heterotrophic mode of nutrition. Which is called the autotrophic mode of nutrition, which living organism make देयर ऑन फूड, जो अपना फूड खुद बनाते हैं उन्हें क्या बोलते हैं, ऑटोट्रॉफिक मोड ऑफ न्यूट्रिशंस. विच लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म फॉर गेट ए फूड डिपेंड ऑन अदर एनिमल एंड प्लांट्स, दैट इज कॉल्ड द हेटरोट्रॉपिक मोड ऑफ न्यूट्रिशंस एंड द लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म नोन एज हेटरोट्रॉप्स. Now we are going to discuss about the other mode of the nutrition. Some living organism get a nutrition from the other mode, like that the saprotrophs, which is called the saprotrophs or saprotrophs mode of the nutrition. Which organism take in nutrition from dead and decaying matter is called the saprotrophic nutrition. Such organisms which saprotrophic mode of nutrition are called the saprotrophs. जो कुछ जो लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म हैं, सम लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म गेट ए फूड और न्यूट्रिशन फ्रॉम द डेड एनिमल्स और डेड मैटर्स, डेड डिकेइंग मैटर्स, लाइक दैट यू नो आल्सो फंगी. फंगी जनरेटेड ऑन डेड एनिमल्स. देखो जो भी एनिमल्स मर जाते तो बाद में वो सड़ते तो उसके ऊपर एक्टिव कौन होते हैं, फंगी एंड बैक्टीरियास. दैट आर द एग्जाम्पल ऑफ सेप्रोट्रॉप्स. Now saprotrophs example fungi and bacteria. Fungi also active on the bread. They get nutrition from the bread and make their own food from breads. They depend on breads and other dead animals also. Now again I explain you which is called the saprotrophs, which organism take in nutrition from dead and decaying matter is called the saprotrophic mode of nutrition. Such organisms which saprotrophic mode of nutrition are called the saprotrophs. Example fungi, bacteria, which is called the symbiosis. Symbiosis is one type of relationship. The relation between those organisms, they share their shelter and nutrition. This relationship is known as symbiosis. सिम्बोसिस क्या है, जो लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म है, डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म क्या करते हैं, शेयर देयर न्यूट्रिशंस एंड देयर शेल्टर हाउस. देन द रिलेशन बिटवीन देम इज नोन एज द सिम्बोसिस. किस किस में ये सिम्बोसिस रिलेशनशिप है, लाइक दैट फंगी एंड algae, they known as a lichen. They known as a lichen. Again I explain you which is called the saprotrophs, which organisms take in nutrition from dead and decaying matter is called the saprotrophic mode of nutrition. Such organisms with saprotrophic mode of nutrition are called the saprotrophs. Is known as like that the fungi and bacteria, they active on dead animals, and also fungi active on bread and make food from the bread and get a nutrition. They are depend on other animals and other things. It is the one type mode of heterotrophs. हेटरोट्रॉप्स का ये वन टाइप है, क्योंकि हेटरोट्रॉप्स किसे कहते हैं, विच लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म डिपेंड ऑन द डिपेंड फॉर फूड ऑन अदर मटेरियल और अदर एनिमल एंड प्लांट्स, दैट इज कॉल्ड द हेटरोट्रॉप्स.